Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem Discord Nitro Duolingo. So first of all, I will tell you that this is only available in the US region, so make sure to try it from the US. Otherwise you can just connect any VPN and open the Duolingo website in your browser, either Chrome or any other browser. And once you have done, like, you will be at the home page of Duolingo, so something like that. So from here what you need to do is just click on this shop button, which is upside the profile. Just go to shop section, and inside the shop section, so just scroll down and you will see all those options: hearts, power-ups, and merch. And inside this section, make sure to complete the daily quests. And once you keep completing the daily quests, so you will see the Discord Nitro as well listed into this section. So once you complete the tasks, make sure to open up daily, complete the task, stay active, and that Discord Nitro will be listed into this section. So you can just complete any of the tasks when listed and you will be able to get the Discord Nitro in this way. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure that you are trying from the US region, otherwise you will not be able to get it.